Liberia. Okay, so Lauren and Mango and Jefferson, we went to our favorite donut place and we want to show you delicious donuts in California. This is like crazy. It's got blackberries and flowers and lavender, and we just want to show you how you gotta eat a donut like this. Ready? This is for Mother's Day, everyone. Oh my God.
My wife's sister eating donut.
That's sugary. Holy cow, there's a sugary donut.
Eating American food.
Where was Ranchero's donut? With the egg on top, and the salsa, and the beans.
That's actually tastes nice. Yeah.
Everything Brooke does, Chef Brooke.
One more bite, please. One more bite.
Hang on.
The big bite.
Right? So it's sweet and savory. Oh, almost lost my finger. And there's bean salsa in it too.
Almost lost a finger.
No, me sugar. Pico de gallo here.
All right. As you can see,
Delicioso.
I'm with my American family. In other words, I'm with my white family.